For chili potatoes, we will be needed some finely chopped capsicums, finely chopped onions, corn flour, which is known as arrowroot powder, all-purpose flour, which is known as maida, some finely chopped garlic cloves, green chilies, red chili sauce, soya sauce, tomato sauce, and obviously some potatoes. Boil the potatoes for only 1 minute. Add some corn flour on the potatoes. Now add some flour. Now add some salt. Now add the fries in the oil. Fry until they become golden brown in color. Add some garlic cloves in hot oil. Let it cook for a while and then add capsicums to it. Now add in the onions. Add chopped green chilies. Now add red chili sauce, soya sauce, ketchup, now add some water. Now add salt and a little bit sugar. Now I'll be adding water in corn flour. Pour the mixture of water and corn flour in the sauce. Now add fries in the mixture. Give them a good mix and garnish it with some coriander leaves. And now our delicious chili potatoes are ready.